Hi everyone, I'm Michelle and welcome to our video about the best LLC services. If you're thinking about starting your own business, forming an LLC can be a very smart move. In this video, we're going to explore the top LLC services which are available at this time. These services help business owners navigate the process of forming an LLC very smoothly and affordably. It can be pretty complicated when you're finding the right LLC service for your business, but trust me, it makes a big difference in how fast your business gets off the ground. The main reason to choose a professional service is because you need to make sure that you're doing everything right when you're forming your LLC. This is really important because you cannot afford to miss important details or misunderstand anything. Forming an LLC isn't just about filling out the paperwork. It's also about choosing a name for your business, to handle legal paperwork, making an operating agreement on how the business is going to be run, and getting your EIN. Another good reason to hire a professional instead of doing it yourself is that you get a professional registered agent, because in case of a lawsuit, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Most people believe they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes. The real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets and you're safe and secure. When you're sued, the attorney who's the one suing you is going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing that they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing your paperwork correctly? This is something you cannot take any risks with in your business. Having a professional service helps you with all of that because they offer a variety of services under one roof. They're secure and they're efficient. What we should be looking for in a really good LLC service is that it offers all of your basic requirements as well as has exceptional customer service, low subscription costs, and add-ons which help you out. Keeping these things in mind, we ranked our 5 best services for you. I'll be leaving the links to all of the services in the description and comment section below, or you can just visit LLCbuddy.com and find all the amazing helpful articles out there for your LLC. LegalZoom is a popular online legal service that provides various tools and resources to assist in forming and managing businesses. With this user-friendly platform, LegalZoom simplifies creating and maintaining an LLC for entrepreneurs and small business owners. Filing with LegalZoom provides numerous advantages like access to a variety of useful legal and accounting add-ons and subscriptions. These include services like professional legal advice, document drafting and review, and tax return filing. LegalZoom offers a wide range of company formation packages, including LLCs, DBAs, corporations, and nonprofits. One of their standout features is the ability to customize each package to your liking. Alternatively, you can choose a tiered option for simplicity. The sign-up process allows you to adjust your selected services and add-ons to better suit your budget, which helps make sure that you don't pay for unnecessary free add-ons that you may not ever use. Streamlining the process, they end up freeing time for business owners to focus on other aspects of their company. Some of the essential features of their services include preparation and filing of articles of organization, operating agreement customization, EIN acquisition assistance, compliance assistance to help maintain a good standing with state regulations. LegalZoom offers you 3 LLC formation package which cater to your needs. These packages differ in pricing and the features that they provide, allowing the customers to choose the one that best suits their business needs. And currently, you can avail that at $0 for the basic package. Apart from LLC formation services, LegalZoom also provides a range of other legal services like trademark registration, copyright registration, patent services, estate planning, legal advice, and a lot more. Each of its company formation packages, including the free option, come with a digital welcome pack that walks you through the necessary steps to establish a legal business entity. Additionally, a founder's kit is available as an optional add-on or as part of a certain premium paid package. This binder contains all of your legal essential documents organized into sections along with guidance on maintaining compliance while you're managing your company. LegalZoom provides you with registered agent services, but they do come at an additional cost. Although every LLC needs a registered agent by law, this person gets all the important legal paperwork done for your company. It's priced higher than its competitors, which may be a turnoff for some people because it could be out of their budget, but trust me, it's worth it. With Zen Business, you can start off your LLC with as low as $0 per year. The only thing you're going to be paying for are the state filing fees. They offer you 3 forms of packages: starter plan, pro plan, and a premium plan. Zen Business Starter Pack includes all of your basic requirements like LLC formation, operating agreement draft, and above all, a 100% accuracy guarantee, and it's best for small businesses and startups. The Pro package is a step above the starter plan. The starter plan offers you a complimentary year of compliance report service, which notifies you of filing your deadlines. In contrast, the Pro package includes a free year of the enhanced compliance service, where Zen Business takes care of you filing your LLC's annual report with the state. Also, this service covers up to 2 amendments to your LLC's articles of organization or your annual report every year. The premium plan has all the features of the starter and the Pro packages, along with expedited filing. This means Zen Business will expedite your LLC filing and utilize the faster filing option in your state if it is available, though. Additional services in the premium plan include stuff like reserving a domain name for your business, setting up a business website, and providing you with a business email address. But the Pro and the premium plans, they're more targeted at bigger corporations who don't really have time to pursue a lot of paperwork. Except for the starter pack, the rest of the packs get auto-renewed automatically each year. Using Zen Business is fast and easy. One of the main advantages of Zen Business is the straightforward user experience. They guide you through the formation step by step, giving you a lot of information along the way. Zen Business is well liked by a lot of customers, which makes it very popular of its field. Also, it's approved by the Better Business Bureau and has the highest rating of A+. You can ask them questions by either calling them out or filling out a form on their website, and you can choose to be contacted back by phone or email. Another option is to check Zen Business's Help Center for articles that might have the answers that you need. The downside to Zen Business is that it does have an additional cost when it comes to getting your EIN in the starter plan. Or you can pay more and get the Pro or the premium plan. Northwest Registered Agent provides the formation and maintenance of your LLC. At $225 plus state fees, you're going to get a registered agent service along with LLC formation and maintenance of your business. Northwest offers you corporate guides who are going to be appointed to look after your business. These guides come for free and are in-house employees. It means Northwest does not outsource any of its services, including the corporate guides. This is why there is no chance of selling or breaching your data. With registered agents, you don't have to disclose your phone numbers or your address publicly. So Northwest is offering a registered agent service and LLC formation plan. You can start off your LLC for as low as $39 in state fees. They have in-house corporate guides to help through your business. It comes with no additional cost. And with these guides, your personal as well as professional data is absolutely safe. Northwest has a flat rate for LLC formation and registered agent service. Though they do have a higher price than other competitive companies, their user review and transparency in price are incredible. Northwest does not have any free LLC service. It offers you a basic LLC formation service charge that might look more expensive than others, but there are no hidden charges. It's just that flat rate. The downside to Northwest is that it doesn't have an operating agreement in their basic package, and you have to pay additionally to get an EIN. But that's something you can do on your own as well. An online business formation service, Swift Filings, is popular among budding entrepreneurs because of its customer support and quick document processing. The company offers 3 types of formation plans for different benefits. Swift Filings, like other of its close competitors, offers you LLC formation at $0. Swift Filing is an appropriate service for small businesses. LLC formation at $0. No registered agent service is added to the plans, though. They're very suitable for small businesses, and they have a great customer service. Swift Filing does have mixed feedback from the users. Some are very happy with the service, while some users complain about hidden costs. They do have many add-ons that keep popping up as you try to check out and make the payment. While some blame the company for charging unnecessary money, some people think they're worth spending money on because it helps them out. So it really depends on you and what you're looking for. Better Legal offers a single flat price for all the services at $299 plus state fees. You can get all the services, including LLC formation, operating agreement, and a lot more. There are no hidden costs or free trial in Better Legal. They have comparatively cheaper registered agent services than other competitors. Some of their features which they're offering include that whether you're forming an LLC or a corporation, you can easily make one with Better Legal. They offer you a resource center. They have several articles by experts on forming businesses. Users can search and read those articles for their references and help themselves. They do have a great customer chat service as well. Users can directly chat with their executives from Better Legal's website. The only issue that exists with Better Legal that it has a no refund policy and that all sales are final. Now that could put off some people. Number 2 is that registered agent service is not available with any of the packages. The question is, how do you choose the best one from the list? Everyone's going to say that they're the best LLC service, but you can't make a decision on basis of what they say. What you need to do is do your due diligence, research the LLC that you want to go for, see if it suits you. Also, check out your budget. What benefits do you need? Do you need legal help? Is that something you're looking for? Then in this case, LegalZoom fits your requirements that you may have, which is why we have it on number 1 in our list. It's providing the best legal services along with very efficient LLC service. I do hope this video has made it clear for you about the best LLC services which are being offered right now and how they can help and grow and secure your business and make the whole process as easy and efficient for you as possible. As always, don't forget to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and click the little notification bell. Thank you for watching.